Welcome to Home and Harmony, where we believe every small space deserves a touch of luxury this Easter season. Today, we're diving into the sophisticated world of crystal and ceramic decorations that will transform your apartment into a glamorous Easter haven without overwhelming your space. If you've ever wondered how to create that magazine-worthy holiday look in a compact home, you're in for a treat with our curated ideas that blend luxury materials with practical applications. Stay with us until the end for exclusive styling secrets that will elevate your Easter decor game beyond what you thought possible for your apartment. Our small space solutions combine high-end aesthetics with smart functionality, proving that limited square footage should never limit your style statement this holiday. If you enjoy these kinds of elevated yet accessible design ideas, hit that subscribe button and notification bell to join our design-savvy community. And don't forget to share your Easter decoration plans in the comments below. The foundation of any glamorous Easter display starts with strategic placement of crystal elements that catch and reflect light throughout your small apartment. Crystal candle holders, delicate figurines, and even simple crystal bowls can serve as stunning focal points when arranged on coffee tables, mantels, or dining areas, creating a luxurious atmosphere without requiring extensive space. The key is selecting pieces with substantial visual impact. Opt for items with interesting cuts and facets that create prismatic effects when sunlight or ambient lighting hits them. These crystal elements work double duty in small apartments by not only adding glamour, but also creating the illusion of more space through their reflective properties. Try clustering crystal items of varying heights in odd numbers, 3 or 5 pieces, for a designer-approved arrangement that draws the eye without cluttering your limited surface areas. Remember that in compact spaces, fewer high-quality crystal pieces make a stronger statement than numerous smaller items, maintaining that luxurious feel while preserving precious space. Modern ceramic pieces bring a sophisticated sculptural element to your Easter decor, balancing the sparkle of crystal with earthy elegance. Look for ceramic vessels, plates, and figurines in sophisticated neutral tones like ivory, taupe, or matte black, which provide versatility while maintaining a luxurious aesthetic that complements various interior styles. The contrast between glossy crystals and matte ceramics creates a multi-dimensional design story that feels intentional and curated. Exactly what elevates small space decor from ordinary to extraordinary. Consider investing in dual-purpose ceramic pieces that serve both decorative and functional needs. A beautiful ceramic cake stand can display Easter treats now and serve as a dining table centerpiece year-round. For small apartments, select ceramics with clean lines and minimal detail for a contemporary look that doesn't overwhelm your visual space. A collection of varying-sized ceramic eggs in monochromatic colors, arranged in a crystal bowl, creates a striking centerpiece that embodies the perfect marriage of these two luxurious materials. In small apartment Easter decor, a refined color palette creates cohesion and prevents visual clutter while maintaining that glamorous aesthetic. For crystal and ceramic decorations, embrace sophisticated pastels like blush pink, sage green, and powder blue paired with metallic accents in gold or silver that enhance the reflective qualities of your crystal pieces. The secret to luxury in compact spaces is restraint. Limit your palette to 3 complementary colors plus 1 metallic tone for accessories and trim details. This controlled approach to color allows your crystal and ceramic elements to stand out as statement pieces rather than competing with too many visual elements. For maximum impact, consider how your chosen palette complements your existing interior colors to create harmony rather than discord in your small space. Remember that negative space is a powerful design tool in apartments. Allowing breathing room around your glamorous Easter vignettes enhances their luxury appeal rather than diminishing it. Strategic placement transforms ordinary corners into extraordinary design moments in small apartments during Easter. Create height variation by placing crystal candelabras or ceramic sculptures on books or decorative boxes, drawing the eye upward and creating visual interest without requiring additional surface space. Windowsills, often overlooked in decorating schemes, provide perfect display opportunities for crystal figurines that can catch natural light and cast beautiful reflections throughout your space. In apartments where every inch counts, think vertically with wall-mounted shelves or floating displays that showcase your glamorous Easter ceramics without sacrificing valuable floor or table space. Consider creating a statement, Easter vignette. In your entryway, even in the smallest apartments, this creates an immediate impression and sets the tone for the sophisticated holiday atmosphere throughout your home. Remember that negative space around your crystal and ceramic displays enhances their luxury appeal, so resist the urge to fill every surface. Instead, create intentional moments of glamour that allow each piece to shine. Thoughtful lighting transforms your crystal Easter decorations from beautiful to breathtaking in small apartment settings. Position small, dimmable LED light sources behind or beneath crystal pieces to create dramatic shadows and reflections that expand your visual space and add depth to your holiday decor. Battery-operated micro-fairy lights woven through a crystal display create magical sparkle effects without requiring proximity to outlets. Perfect for creating glamorous moments in unexpected corners of your apartment. Consider the timing of your lighting strategy, programming smart bulbs to gradually increase in warmth and brightness as evening approaches to showcase the changing character of your crystal decorations throughout the day. For small apartment dwellers, strategic lighting not only enhances your Easter decor, but creates the illusion of expanded space through shadow play and highlighted focal points. Remember that in limited square footage, the quality of light becomes even more important than the quantity. Soft, ambient lighting that highlights your crystal and ceramic displays creates an atmosphere of luxury that transcends spatial limitations. Create personalized luxury with simple DIY projects that elevate store-bought items to custom creations. Transform plain ceramic eggs or bunnies with metallic paint techniques. Try ombre gold or silver gradients for a high-end look that mimics expensive designer pieces, but fits within any budget. Consider creating crystal-encrusted Easter accents by applying clear glass beads or crystals to plain picture frames, candle holders, or decorative boxes using clear-drying adhesive for instant glamour that catches light beautifully. For a truly personalized touch, explore modern ceramic painting techniques like sponging or color blocking in your chosen palette to create coordinated decor pieces that look professionally designed. Remember that in small apartments, even modest, DIY accents make significant impact when they're thoughtfully integrated into your overall design scheme. Focus your creative energy on enhancing a few select pieces rather than creating numerous small projects. This approach maintains the sophisticated, curated aesthetic essential to luxury Easter decor in compact spaces. As we've explored throughout this journey into glamorous Easter decor for small apartments, the magic happens when crystal brilliance meets ceramic sophistication in a thoughtfully designed space. Remember that luxury isn't about quantity, but quality. Selecting fewer pieces with greater impact preserves both your space and the elevated aesthetic that makes your home feel special during this celebratory season. The techniques we've shared today can be adapted throughout the year, simply by changing a few seasonal elements while maintaining your investment pieces for year-round sophistication. We hope these ideas have inspired you to create your own glamorous Easter haven, regardless of your apartment size. If you've enjoyed these small space luxury solutions, please support Home and Harmony by hitting that subscribe button and notification bell to ensure you never miss our latest design inspiration. Drop a comment below sharing which crystal or ceramic elements you'll be incorporating into your Easter decor this year. We love seeing your creative interpretations and hearing about your design journeys. Until next time, remember that even the smallest spaces deserve the biggest style statements during special celebrations.